Hey, what's up, Facebook? What's up, Facebook? Hey, Jason Brown here, coming to you live. Just hopping on, doing a quick live, as I sometimes do, and wanting to just share some information. So if you're new to my Facebook page, if you're a returning follower, guest, friend, so to speak, let me know you're here. Let me know you're live. If you're catching this on the replay, give me a hashtag replay and let me know that as well. That would be awesome. I am here. It's Webinar Wednesday, and I want to definitely share with you the program platform that I'm involved in. Have been for just over 8 weeks now. It's been an outstanding experience, and I want to share the wealth, if you will. Share it with anyone that's willing, looking. Even if you're not looking, I encourage you just to take a look. We do have a webinar tonight. That's at 7 o'clock Eastern Time, 6 Central, 4 Pacific. I will drop that information in the comments below after this live. And I encourage you just to come on and take a peek, see what we got going. As I noted in the description, we paid out over $50,000 in commissions this week. That's outstanding in a platform, a business that's not even 3 months old. To be paying out to just over 500 members over $50,000 in commissions. Last week was huge. We paid out over $30,000. So you can see the incremental gains, the incremental amounts of money being paid out to people on a regular basis is outstanding. And I myself have earned $500 just this week, earned $600 last week. So things are happening, things are moving, the traction is being gained, and there's a ton more to it than just earning money. The training that I've gained, the training that I'm learning from is outstanding as well with this platform. My engagement on my posts, primarily what we're working on so far is Facebook, and my presence in the online space overall, but specifically in Facebook has been incremental for me as well. So if you're struggling with engagement, if you're struggling to get people to know you, to like you, to trust you, which is key in this online space, especially on Facebook, this could be exactly what you've been looking for. So again, I encourage you tonight, the webinar, be my guest, my special guest. I'd be happy to welcome you in. The webinar is at 7 o'clock Eastern, as I mentioned. That's 6 Central, 4 Pacific. Don't like to leave anybody out as far as time zones here in the U.S. And I know that's helpful for folks around the world as well. This is an international opportunity. And we want to encourage anyone that's available. Hey, Chantel, you finally caught me. Appreciate you being here. So anyone that's available, I'd love to see you on. Be my guest for the webinar tonight. Again, 7 o'clock Eastern, and see what's going on. See what the buzz is about. No commitment necessary tonight. But it's super exciting, and I want to share that wealth and share that information. And if you have any specific questions, feel free to message me, drop me a comment below. As I mentioned before, give me a hashtag replay. Let me know that you're here and you're seeing and hearing what I'm saying, and hopefully getting excited to find out what's going on. So again, over $50,000 in commissions paid out this week alone. Last week was just over $30,000. So those gains are happening, and they're going to continue to happen, and it's real, and the training is outstanding. I've learned more in these short 8-9 weeks than I have in any other years that I've been online, and I've been online on and off since about 2016. So great things happening, and hopefully I can see you later. Drop me a comment, shoot me a message, however you want to communicate with me. And I look forward to seeing you tonight on that webinar, and then welcoming you into to join us. So I'm Jason Brown. That's what I got for today. Webinar Wednesday. I'll see you there. All right. I'm out. Peace.